You bought a TRICO high-mileage wiper blade. Now what? This video will show you how to install the TRICO high-mileage blade onto a 22mm side pin arm. Before installation, remove the plastic protector from the blade rubber. With this arm type, you'll need to remove the pre-attached adapter on the wiper blade and replace it with adapter BC. Identify the release tab for the pre-attached adapter. Press the tab down with your thumb while pushing the pre-attached adapter back toward the release tab. The adapter will disengage from the blade. Discard it. Locate adapter BC. Lower adapter BC into the cavity in the top of the blade. Slide adapter BC in the opposite direction of the release tab until it clicks in place. Adapter BC must lock onto the blade before you move on to the next step. Hold the blade at a 90-degree angle to the end of the wiper arm and push it all the way onto the arm pin. Rotate the blade until the tab on the top of the arm straddles the top of the blade, locking it in place. The bent end of the arm tab must be in the long slot on the top edge of the blade. Then, lower the arm and be sure to check that the wiper blade is locked before use. It's that easy. Now you're ready for the road ahead.